The experimental approach to modeling the dynamic behavior of the structure, which is the modal testing, rely mostly on extracting the vibration characteristic of the structure from measurement. The procedure consists of 3 steps. First, taking the measurement. Second, analyzing the measured data. And third, is constructing the model by combining the result of analyzed data. For this video, we are going to see briefly on how the experimental modal analysis is carried out. The structure under investigation is a structure made from 4 mm thick aluminium sheet. Before the structure undergoes the measurement process, the structure setup is performed first. The structure is discretized into several elements and nodes. The purpose of discretization is to view the mode shapes of the structure in the result simulation. The more the number of element and node does not mean a better result will be obtained, vice versa. The determination of the number of element and node is highly depend on the initial guide provided from the finite element result. Each node is marked with number to ease the measurement process. To simulate the structure in a free boundary condition, it need to be hung in the low constraint condition as possible. To achieve this, the structure can be hung by using many types of hanger. For example, it can be spring, rubber band, or string. For this structure, 4 springs and string are used to hang at each of the structure's edge. Different weight of structure need to use different types of hanger. This is because, in order to simulate the best free boundary condition, the structure must be able to oscillate freely when it is hanged. After that, the structure is hung below something that is sturdy. This is to avoid from any vibration that is introduced from the hanging pole during the experiment take place. To ensure that the structure is hung in the most flat horizontal position, water level is used. If the structure is not in the horizontal position, adjust the position and the length of the string at the structure edges. After satisfied with the hanging position of the structure, press the structure downward. This is to test the oscillation of the structure. We want to avoid from using too stiff or less stiff hanger, which will affect the structure free oscillation. To simulate the structure in the computer, the geometry of the structure is drawn in the software use. In this case, LMS Test Lab is used to analyze the experiment data. Accelerometer is used to measure the acceleration introduced from the structure vibration. The accelerometer is attached to the structure at the particular node that we are going to measure by using the petroleum wax. Other than petroleum wax, plastic stud also can be used to attach the accelerometer. An impact hammer test is used in the experiment. 2 roving and 1 reference accelerometers are used to measure the vibration. Hammer is knock at the reference position on the structure surface to introduce the force and vibrate the structure. Repeat knocking at least 10 times for 1 run of measurement at each node. This is to get the average reading of the response measured by the accelerometers. Rove the accelerometers to the next node until all the nodes is measured. Make a sequence record for the node measurement to ease the measuring process. A correct hand position when knocking is necessary in order to get a good measurement result. After all the measurement done, the result obtained in the frequency response function form. Each peak show the resonance occur at that particular frequency. Besides from the frequency response function obtain, we also can view the mode shapes of the structure, which is the behavior of the structure act in that particular frequency. Each mode shapes at the resonance frequency is validated through comparing the mode shapes between the experimental modal analysis and finite element analysis in terms of their closeness. After all the mode shapes is validated, the process of the experiment is done. In case of some of the mode shapes is unable to identify, different approaches needed to be done in the experimental setup and measurement. Thank you for watching. For any assistance and questions, please visit Structural Dynamics Analysis and Validation, STAV official Facebook page.